My name is Andrew Bramblett. This is Thoughts on a Rainy Day. It's been raining too much. Where's my place? Where's my fun? I used to like the rain, but now it's getting old. I used to wonder if you cared about me. I never felt so cold, but I never wondered if you loved me. I've been trying to find someone, but no one seems to click. I've been trying to make a songbook, but none of them will stick. I hope someday that I'll be dead and famous, and it'll sell for 50 grand. Some rich perverted white man. Never wonder if they'll love you. And I know that you care for me, though you got a different way to show it. And I know when the rainbow's out, there's still 100 ways I could blow it. That's how it goes. And everybody knows it. But I know that you care for me. It's been raining too much. Where's my place? Where's my fun? I used to like the rain, but now it's getting old. I used to wonder if